Okay, so the question is, get 10-hour customer service job, contract basis, web designer, university student, time management is like a struggle for me. Barely sleeping, that's not an issue. Wanted to know what to do with your savings. Okay. Again, it depends कि आपकी savings कितनी अगर आपने यहाँ पे mention की होती then I would have been able to give you a better answer, but it completely depends on your savings. मैं एक आपको दे दूंगा rule of thumb which like what I think, and then you can like basically go about that. अच्छा, I wonder if I should save up for my wants or invest in. No, don't invest in stocks अभी. Don't invest in stocks unless you have 5 से 6 करोड़ रुपए to invest in stocks. Feel left out because देखो the thing is ना कि even if you were to invest in stocks right now, तो it's gonna compound. It's not like it's not gonna compound. Like it is definitely gonna compound. But the thing is कि the speed at which it's gonna compound ना तब तक you are gonna be in your 50s or 60s कि जहाँ पर this money might have a return, and for this money to have a return you need to constantly keep on investing it, and you need to invest up like a good boatload of money into stocks ताकि you're able to retire on those stocks. But with economic certainty and everything, it's not 100%. Lekin right now you will need to invest जहाँ पर you would get the most ROI. So the first thing that I would recommend is investing in coaching programs, because then you would be investing in yourself, and that's gonna give you a head start or just push you so much as compared to any other investment. And then once you have like 25-30 lakh rupees saved up, invest in gold. And then if you have like crore rupees, invest in property. And then if you have like 5 crore rupees spare, then you invest in stocks and everything. And then if you have like let's say 4-5 crore rupees बिल्कुल spare ज़ाया होने के लिए and everything, then you can like play with that money in crypto. But उससे पहले it's not a wise decision unless you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, तो फिर आप day one से बड़ा कुछ कर सकते हो. But for the mass majority, they don't know what they're doing. So it's important कि you know what you're doing, and then you can like play around with your money. But to be safe, that would be my rule of thumb जो कि मैंने आपको अभी बताया. अच्छा, if your peers are having a blast, let them have a blast. It's fine, and you can also have a blast. You don't need to work day and night. अब the thing is कि you are working a 10-hour customer service of जो कि मेरे ख्याल में call center की job है, contract basis web design. अब देखो, you have to understand कि if you were to just double down on your web designing वाला skill set, would you make money? अगर आप आज छोड़ दो अपनी कस्टमर सर्विस की जॉब और आपको पता है कि अब मैंने रेंट देना है या मैंने खर्च देना, कुछ भी करना है, लाइक अब मुझे पैसे कमाने पड़ेंगे, तो कमा नहीं लोगे? वुड यू बी एबल टू मेक दैट मनी और नो? आई थिंक यू वुड बी एबल, बिकॉज अगर 10 घंटे काम करी, यू आर हसलर. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड, इफ आई वाज इन योर प्लेस, आई वुड क्विट माय कस्टमर सर्विस जॉब, बिकॉज उसके ऊपर द ROI इज द लीस्ट. I would focus on being a designer, and उसके साथ साथ I would learn about landing page design, I would learn about offer creation, I would learn about cold outreach and everything. And then I would start pitching my services to prospects on LinkedIn. Even if I were to close 2-3 clients, I would still make 10-20 times more money than I would have made in a job. So that is how I would go about it. But 6 महीने का अपना expense side पे करो, and then double down on that. Because देखो, the thing is कि अगर आप अपनी टांगे फैला के रखो ना multiple boards के अंदर, तो आप किसी भी एक board के अंदर भी grow नहीं कर सकते. You need to choose your vision for the next 6 months, and you have to double down on that. And if you don't double down on that, or the only person that's going to be struggling is going to be you. So you have to double down on your particular vision, and then and only then will you be able to make good money, because आपको टाइम देना पड़ेगा. Like it's not like कि आप अगर 3-3 घंटे हर स्किल को दे रहे हो, तो आप अगर पहले कमा रहे थे $100, तो अगर आप 6 घंटे दोगे तो आप कमाओगे $200. अगर आप 3 की जगह 6 घंटे दे रहे हो, तो क्या पता आप $100 की जगह $1000 कमाना शुरू कर दो. So मोमेंटम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, और फिर उसके बाद कंपाउंड होती है आपकी अर्निंग. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड कि momentum is something that people overlook, but it's the most important thing ever. So इस तरह करके I would categorize my time, and I would just choose one thing plus my uni. I would just choose one thing altogether. But in your case, I wouldn't say dropping out of uni unless you're making good money. And when I say good money, I mean 5-6 लाख रुपए महीने का at least. और वो भी आप 1-8 साल के लिए कमाते रहे उसके बाद. So yeah, that is how I would go about it, and that would be my advice to you. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the broadcast channel or like in the comment section, whatever. So, ख्याल रखो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.